Let's see how long I can stay up here in this hot ass attic. Oh, excuse me, did I say that? I'm sorry. I'm baking up here. This is the clothes dryer vent. It's the wrong kind of flue, and we have cloth tape on the clothes dryer vent. Just like we have cloth tape on the kitchen vent. We shouldn't have cloth tape on either one of those. We're here for the water heater. There's electric bonding to the water heater, so now we know that we've got that. Most of the plumbing in the house seems to be copper, so I know I found some PVC in the front flower bed. This is a 50-gallon water heater. It's 9 years old. You're supposed to have a 30-inch service platform in front of the water heater. You don't have that. Okay, we got some daylight coming through there. Water can get through that. Alright, insulation should be on the TMP, and it should have been replaced. So should the Dielectric Unions every 3 years. TMP has more than 5 bins. It does not have an air gap in the same room with the water heater, which is kind of an unusual arrangement because you're commingling with the safety pan. Alright, which you shouldn't commingle. I guess they got around that with a check valve. But now you still don't have that air gap. If that would have just gone straight down into the pipe, you'd have had fewer bins. This has been, you know, all roads lead to Rome. All roads lead to Rome. Lead to Rome. We got a care and use manual. So what did we learn? We learned that we got a water leak at the roof right there. We learned that the TMP hasn't been replaced and it's not insulated. We learned that we do not have an air gap in the drain line, and the drain line, temperature pressure relief drain line, has more than 5 bins. From an earlier video, we learned that this drain line discharges higher from the ground than 6 inches. It looks like we got a little bit of drafting problems. A little yellow stains around the burner compartment door right there. Okay. We learned we don't have a service platform.